Have you ever noticed that even when you finally sit down to rest, your mind is still running? Messages, deadlines, noise, responsibilities. Life feels fast, and the mind rarely feels calm. In a busy world, mindfulness seems impossible. Yet the Buddha taught mindfulness not only for monks or retreats, but for busy minds living ordinary, demanding lives just like ours. The Buddha said the problem is not that life is crowded, but that the mind is absent. We rush through moments without truly being there. The body moves through the day, but the mind is trapped in the past or racing toward the future. This constant inner movement is where stress, anxiety, and exhaustion are born. Mindfulness begins with something simple: attention, not changing your routine, not escaping responsibility, just noticing. Noticing your breath while walking, noticing your posture while sitting, noticing your thoughts as they arise, without judging or fighting them. Awareness gently brings the mind back to the present and allows clarity to grow. In a busy world, we try to do many things at once. The Buddha taught the opposite: do one thing fully. When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. When you work, be completely present. This single practice transforms ordinary actions into moments of calm, clarity, and even joy. The Buddha also warned about unconscious reactions. When the mind is rushed, it reacts automatically: irritation, impatience, anxiety. Mindfulness creates a pause. In that pause, wisdom appears. You respond instead of react, and peace replaces tension. This pause may seem small, but over time it reshapes your entire way of living, your habits, and your relationships. You don't need extra time to be mindful. You need awareness inside the time you already have. One conscious breath before answering a message. One moment of presence before opening an app. These small pauses retrain the mind, restore energy, and quietly dissolve daily stress that builds up without notice. Busy schedules tire the body, but a distracted mind exhausts the soul. The Buddha taught that peace is not found by slowing the world, but by steadying the mind within it, again and again, moment by moment, breath by breath. Mindfulness is not about perfection. It is about returning, again and again, to this moment. Each return strengthens awareness, just like training a muscle over time. Each pause builds patience, clarity, and resilience. If this teaching helped you, like the video, share it with someone overwhelmed by daily life, and subscribe to Inside of Buddha. Because even in chaos, peace begins the moment you truly become present and aware of yourself.